lower and upper bands dealing with 2SF. Examples. A container holds 0.085 liters of water to the nearest 2SF. Calculate the lower and upper band of actual liters of water. Solution. Now, the approximate value of waters, that is liters of waters in the container, we're given is 0.085 to the nearest 2SF. Now, we can see here that if you are looking at your 2 second figure, you start from the first non-zero digit at the left, which is from 8, 1SF, then we have 2SF here. So in summary, when you are looking at 2SF, you consider the last number here. Now let's check out the place values. Starting from after decimal point. Here is what? This is 0/10. We have a 0/10. And for this 8, we have what? That is 8 hundredths. And for this one, which is 5, and that's what we are looking at. And that's 5,000. That's 5,000. So what is the meaning of 1,000? When you have 1,000, what does that mean? It means that we have what? 1 divided by 1 over 100. So in this case, this is the same thing as what? 0.001. We can now calculate our error for the bands. So error will be equal to what? What will be the error? We have plus or minus what we have here, which is 0.001 divided by what? 2. So we're going to divide this. We have plus or minus 0.0005. That's the error. So for us to get our lower and upper band now, lower band, which is L subscript B, will be equal to what? 0.085. Then we have minus 0.005. And that's in liters. And this will give us what? When you take away this from this, we have 0.0845. When you take away 0.0005 from this value, we have 0.0845. So liters. That is the lower band. Now for the upper band, we are going to add. We have what? 0.085, then plus 0.0005 in liters. Don't forget. So this will give us what? When you add these two values together, we are going to have 0.0855 liters. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.